Both Numan and Musa were born twins, but they were very different from each other. Their parents were beggars by profession, but Numan didn't like to beg. Whenever he saw a child sitting in a car, he used to think that God has made every human being the same, so why can't we have a car and eat like them? Numan had realized at a very young age that if he worked hard, he could achieve it all. Numan didn't want to be a beggar. One day he saw a cobbler sitting near the railway station. Numan went to him who was polishing people's shoes and taking 2 rupees and said, I also want to do this work. Can you please teach me? The cobbler agreed on the condition that he didn't pay any money to Numan. He made Numan sit next to him so he can watch him repairing and polishing the shoes. Meanwhile, Numan's parents watched him sitting there and started beating him by saying, Why are you not begging? If you will not beg, how will we manage to eat 2 meals a day? This was not the first time when he was getting beaten since the day he had decided not to beg. Every time after being beaten, he would go back and sit next to the cobbler to learn skill. One day, his younger brother Musa tried to ask him why he is sitting here and being beaten. Naman replied that a rupee earned by hard work gives honor and happiness. It is not in begging. After listening to Naman's words, he started laughing loudly. Do you think you can become a big man by working as a cobbler? Naman didn't listen to anyone and continued with his thoughts and dedication. When he thought he had observed enough, he also started to polish the shoes of the people as well as repairing them. Everyone paid him more because he was young, but Naman used to take money only according to his hard work. One day, an old man saw Naman's passion and honesty and said to him, Boy, I have an old shoe shop. If you can polish and repair the shoes in my shop, then I will pay a good monthly salary. Numan happily agreed to this and continued to work at his shop. With the passage of time, his skill increased in his work. Now Numan used to make new shoes and put them in the shop. When Musa saw his brother's condition, good clothes, and how people respected him, he became very jealous. One day Musa came to see Numan and said, Look, what position are you in? And I am still a beggar. I will remain a beggar. Numan explained to Musa that no, if you leave this work and work hard, you will also be able to get out of this humiliating life and live a life of honor. Musa was pretending he also wanted to become hardworking, but his intention was different. He mixed some drugs in Naman's dinner and put the drug-filled cigarette in his shirt's pocket and set fire to the shop. People saved Naman from the fire and took him out, but all the shops nearby were also burned. People accused him that you set fire to the shop because of your drug addiction. He tried to explain everything to people that he don't do drugs, but no one was listening to him. However, because of his good relationship with everyone, he was not handed over to the police. But he was thrown out of the shoe market. After Numan came to his senses, he understood that this was done by Musa as he was with him last night. After all this, Numan thought that now he will reach his destination by working harder and bring back his honor. Numan set up a small shoe store from where he would go from street to street to buy old shoes and sell them. He used to make new shoes and sell them also. People liked his shoes very much, and they were so good in quality that those who bought once would buy from Numan again. By doing this, Numan made his own shoe shop, and due to dedication, a small brand became a big brand. Numan had made himself a big and respectable person with his hard work and dedication, while his brother was still begging to have a 2 meals a day.